People take 4 to 5 years, sometimes 7 years to become that designated person ashore. But because he had all those credibilities with him, he got that opportunity. He got that leap. Jai Mata Di सीधा यहाँ पे. Hi everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I wish I knew this in my 20s. When I was in my college in my 20s, I did not know that there is so much time for me to upskill myself. Maybe learn a bit of Excel. Maybe learn a little bit of designing. Maybe learn a little bit of working with my hands. Maybe learn more about what I require when I go on ship. Maybe learn how to give debates. Maybe learn how to make my personality really a good one. Maybe learn to work on my health. And there were so many things. From 22 to 30 till 29, while I was busy sailing, I was just focused towards one thing, that was sail karke aao, exam do, go again, sail come, exam give, fatafat get faster promotions. But what about when I was on ship? I had ample time even on ship. I had ample time when I was on land. Could I upskill myself then? Could I invest on myself? I recently met a very great personality called Captain V.S. Parani. If you want to watch this video, you'll get to learn. He was a captain. Whenever he used to come back home, he used to upskill himself. Like even when he became a captain, he took a typing course. कि मुझे तो फटाफट मेल्स भेजने हैं. He was doing that. He was doing his ISO accreditation courses, so that he never knew that he will become a DPA one day, but he did that to upskill himself. Not just that, worked on his communication skills, gave his Institute of Charters and Shipbrokers exams and scored All India rank 1 worldwide. So he kept on upskilling himself, not thinking that he is doing for his future, but he wanted. And see, कैसे किस्मत ने साथ दी. You understand one thing. He was a captain on board ship, typing speed fast, communication skills good, learning, became got All India rank 1 in Institute of Charters and Shipbrokers, had his ISO accreditation, and now suddenly when an opportunity came, he was made DPA immediately. People take 4 to 5 years, sometimes 7 years to become that designated person ashore. But because he had all those credibilities with him, he got that opportunity. He got that leap. Jai Mata Di सीधा यहाँ पे. He did not stop there. Then one thing and else. Today he is a part of a shipbroking firm. So अगर आप सीखते रहते, if you keep learning, you keep growing, and then suddenly one day suddenly something happens, something quick clicks, and bang on. वो जो 5 साल मैंने अपने मेहनत करी थी, you straight away get that jump. So all I want to say is, guys, please don't waste your time. You need to know what you are doing. You need to be focused why you are doing that, and it should help you for your coming future. Never shy away from investing on yourself. So please be vocal on LinkedIn. Please get active on LinkedIn. Learn from there. If you feel public speaking is not your skill, start developing that, because it will help you become a very good leader on board ship as well. An introvert guy who cannot speak for himself, he cannot speak for his people as well. It is very important to learn to speak with confidence. तो ये सब चीज़ सीखनी है. इफ यू फील कि यार नहीं आता अच्छी, टुडे पेपर वर्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो नोइंग टाइपिंग, नोइंग हाउ टू सेंड अ मेल, नोइंग ओके हाउ टू मेक अ पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, दीज आर द नीड ऑफ द आवर. यू नीड टू नो दैट. लोग कहते हैं सर अगर if shipping में autonomous happens, if ship becomes autonomous, what will happen to us? Well, those people, those who are not upskilling themselves, they are going to suffer. Not to those people, those who are upskilling themselves. Please keep doing that. Autonomous शायद आज से 50 साल बाद हो, लेकिन अगले 10 साल में if you really need a good jump, really need a good leap, keep upskilling, keep learning, keep growing, and never shy away from investing on yourself. Today, Captain Parani is an author. He's a vice president of shipbroking firm. He is a man of several hats. Watch that video, you will get to learn. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.